your Mortgage Solutions financial camera on North Union and Montebello as the sun sets on this Sunday night. And barely any wind out there in central Colorado Springs. Light wind through the Palmer Divide. I'll show you that in a moment. But mid-40s in Salida, Canyon City. You're at 54 degrees. Just a couple minutes ago, you were at 61, so you are cooling off slightly. 46 in Peyton, 47 degrees in Pueblo. All of us should be near freezing tonight. We'll get down to about 33, 32 degrees in Colorado Springs, but it's not one of those bone-chilling nights for us on I-25. Here's that wind across the higher elevations of northern El Paso County, only 13 miles an hour in Peyton. Definitely not damaging winds out there, just a light breeze for some folks across Highway 24, but we're doing just fine. 10 miles an hour on Highway 50 in La Junta, similar out in Lamar, and it will not be windy for the next few days. We are dealing with a cold front headed our way for this coming Thursday. That's really our next chance for any precipitation and significantly cooler temperatures. We're staying dry until then as this massive ridge of high pressure just sits across Colorado and the entire Pacific Northwest, really. The Intermountain West seeing beautiful conditions the next few days, but no rain or snow, which is not necessarily a great thing. You see that lighter shade of red, which encompasses Colorado Springs. We're in an extreme drought along with 45% of Colorado. The darker shade of red is indicating exceptional droughts. About 22% of Colorado is seeing exceptional drought conditions, so we really need every drop of rain or flake of snow, but we're not getting that for the next few days. At least 26 in Walsenburg overnight, a little bit cooler in Alamosa. And when you see temperatures into the single digits like that, it makes you think of fog, as your temperatures will be reaching pretty close to dew points. Wouldn't surprise me if the San Luis Valley does see some areas of patchy fog, but for the most part, clear travel conditions tomorrow morning. The rest of our forecast tomorrow in Colorado Springs, mid-50s. We'll max out at about 59 degrees. Our high temperature average for this time of the year, upper 40s. So we're about 10 degrees above average for the forecast, and even close to about 15 degrees above average by our midweek. Here's Woodland Park sitting at 58 degrees by Tuesday. That is pretty warm up into Teller County for early December. And then notice those temperatures really drop off the table by Thursday and Friday, down in the 40s, even 30s, and then some 20s in the forecast for this coming weekend. Enjoy the warm temperatures while they last. Thursday, you'll get down to about 53 for your high in Canyon City, mostly cloudy. A rain-snow mix potentially on Friday and into your Saturday. This does not look like a heavy snowfall type of event for Friday into our Saturday. Just a couple sporadic snow flurries, isolated rain showers for those folks above freezing when the precipitation does hit us. 70 degrees by your Tuesday in Pueblo. Just a gorgeous start to the week. And then again, just Thursday, Friday, similar trend in Colorado Springs. 38 degrees by Friday, mid-30s on Saturday. So much more winter-like weekend ahead, but gorgeous next few days.